All right, good morning. It is Sunday. It is like 7:15 in the morning. My internal clock naturally gets up around 7, so that's when the sun comes up. So that's when we get up most times. I left Starlink on overnight. Whoops. So the batteries are like 47% right now, which is totally okay, but usually I turn it off overnight so it doesn't drain. Time to get up and go. Trying to make some coffee. So we are kind of breaking the norm today. Usually we've been getting up really slowly and not really doing much in the morning. Sometimes I'll like pick up the van and like just slowly get up, but today we just jumped right out of the van, got out here and enjoying this view. Taking it in one last time because we are heading out today. We've been here since Thursday. It's now Sunday, so stayed here for a good bit, but now it's time to get back into the city. Not a bad start to the day with this view. All right, we have just made it back to the van. It is time to feed Sam and get ourselves packed up. Onwards we go. All right, so I'm pretty well packed up now and we're about ready to go. I just finished publishing my last video. So now I'm gonna stow the Starlink and we're gonna hit the road. All right guys, so just got gas. I am in the Torrance area and I have mapped a potential stealth camping spot. Apparently I've parked here before. I don't know if it was overnight, but it's saved on my map. And I kind of street viewed it for a second. It looked promising, so Let's pull up and see what it looks like. Definitely parked here at some point before. It's been on my map. I wonder if it was when I think it was when I had my Jeep though. This is a good spot for the daytime at least. We'll see how it feels at night. You know, we just got this like building here. Let's see what the sign says. That's like rule number 1. Stealth camping. This is kind of a cool building though. Yeah, this will be good for the daytime at least. We'll walk out by the pier and kind of see, check out the Redondo area a little bit. Yeah, we'll just see what the vibe is at night, but according to the signs, totally all right. Since today is Sunday, there aren't any restrictions right now, which is nice, so I think we'll take advantage of that. Also, it's a nice overcast day right now. The temperature dropped significantly from where we were. It was like mid 80s, mid to upper 80s, and now it's like maybe 70 or maybe even less because it's like cloudy and breezy. So we found the cooler weather for sure, but also to see the beach. What do you think about that, buddy? Let's get a treat and then let's go. Well, this is Redondo Pier. I can only imagine what one of these costs per night. There's not that many, actually, so it makes me think it's pretty high price. And it's a really touristy spot, so I bet the price is pretty high on these. We have made it to Redondo Beach. There's the pier. It feels so good to get back here, and I am so thankful for the breeze today. It feels so good right now. Alright, well that was a good hour walk around this area. Now it's time to head back to the van, go make some dinner. Home sweet home. Feels good. Coming home. We've settled back into the van here. I think we are gonna stay here. Sam has had his dinner, so don't worry. He had food, I promise. Once the sun is fully dropped, I will show you what the stealth camping looks like here. I'm gonna make some dinner here, and while the light still is here coming in, so we can utilize that daylight so I don't have to turn lights on while I cook. What I'm thinking for dinner is an egg bowl of some sort, because I have new eggs now and some avocado, and just whip up a little egg bowl. Avocado oil. little salsa in there. Corn salsa, the rest of this going in. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh yeah, we were gonna make a breakfast sandwich. It's not too late. I'm gonna salvage this. I knew I was forgetting something. You know, I just realized, I think this is the first time I've made bacon in the van. It's kind of a big moment here. Okay, I remember my first time I cooked bacon in my van. That's today. Egg bowl is gonna turn into a delicious egg sandwich in like 2 seconds. All right, voila. Breakfast sandwich. Time to eat. I made the bacon crispy unintentionally, but I'm glad it turned out crispy. That is so good. You guys might not know this about me, but breakfast is like my favorite meal, favorite food. I'm gonna finish eating this and then we're gonna go stealth mode pretty soon. Might just kind of chill, take it easy tonight. And then tomorrow is Monday, so lots of work tomorrow. If you guys didn't know, I am going to Lightning in a Bottle this year. My first time going. Very excited for this festival. So tomorrow is going to be like prepping for it. Tuesday is going to be like final prepping, and Wednesday we drop Sam off, and then we go to the festival. Yeah, that's coming up. So as you can see, we are in full stealth mode here in the van. We got all the window covers up, and yeah, we're pretty much in for the night, I think. And if the camera looks a little different, it's because I'm shooting on my Sony now because of it being low light. That's I've been shooting on my phone all day because it's so handy, but the one place that lacks with video is low lighting, unfortunately, so yeah. But anyway, I am actually just going to jump back into editing now and get into my work mode here this evening. It's only 8:15 right now, so I'll probably work a good couple hours or so, and then I'll probably call it a night. Alright guys, it is a little bit later. As you can see, the bed is made. I felt bad because Sam was just kind of like hanging off the little couch, so I'm like, alright, we'll make the bed, I guess. So now, if I get anything else done, it's going to be from bed. I'm really trying my best to get some consistent content for you guys because it's something I've been itching to do. I just have to like get it done, get it out there, stop thinking too much about it, and just do it. I have like a new saying today. I was like, think less, create more. So that's like something I'm gonna be trying to live by lately. A lot of it is like more raw than I normally would put out, and like that's where like I get caught up sometimes. I'm just gonna be really honest. Like I get really caught up with like some of the details and some of the like the nitty gritty. It's not always perfect. Like the lighting's not always great. The focus isn't always great. I notice like all these little things that like very many people do not notice, but I always do when I rewatch it, and then I'm just like super subconscious about like the quality. So either way, I'm gonna push through all that. That's all insecurity, and that's all just like stuff I have to push past. I want it to be authentic. I don't want it to be super polished and like clean and perfect, all that, because it's just not. That's not how life is. That's not how our life is. I don't ever want to come across as that, especially when this lifestyle can get kind of skewed from the internet to look like this really, really polished, high-end thing, when sometimes it's just like it's not always that way. I'm very excited. I'm lighting up about it. I'm excited. So lots of cool stuff to coming up to document, and I'm also just getting used to like documenting the not so exciting, just the day-to-day work vibes and like cooking and like stuff that I do on a normal day. Thank you again. I appreciate you all. I think we're just gonna turn in for the night. We're in sleep mode. Well, Sam is anyway. Wind down here. do some work, and then tomorrow's gonna be a new day, but that'll be a new video. So if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you haven't, please do consider subscribing. It helps me a ton. And that's gonna do it, guys. We'll see you in the next video.